Diving into the realm of YouTube's most viewed videos, we find ourselves wrapped in a whirlwind of catchy tunes and vibrant animations. At the summit of this digital mountain stands the Baby Shark Dance video. Can you believe it skyrocketed to over 13 billion views? This immense number isn't just a random fact. It's a testament to the sheer power of universal appeal and the connectedness of our global community. But that's just one slice of the YouTube pie. Our collective passion for music is reflected in the numerous pop songs that have graced the top 10 list. Songs like Despacito by Luis Fonsi featuring Daddy Yankee, which not only got our feet tapping, but seemed to break language barriers, amassing billions of views from all corners of the world. You and I are part of this system, contributing to these staggering numbers every time we hit play. Every second, people are clicking on these videos, adding to the view count, which stands as a scoreboard of cultural impact. It's like we're all voting without even realizing it, pushing certain videos up the ranks of the YouTube charts. Think about the phenomenon of viral challenges and dance craze. Remember the Gangnam Style sensation by Psy that took over the internet? It didn't just go viral, it became a cultural moment. With its unique dance moves, replicated across playgrounds and parties globally. Our love for sharing and mimicking content moves videos up that most watched list, showing that what resonates with us often resonates with millions of others too. The success of these videos goes beyond mere entertainment. They generate substantial revenue from advertising and sponsorships, influencing the type of content creators produce. More so, they steer the YouTube algorithm, which in turn suggests what we should watch next, keeping us locked in a loop of viral content. Our watch history and preferences drive this process, making us both the audience and the fuel for this machine. What's fascinating is how these videos reflect our changing tastes over time. Some remain evergreen, constantly racking up views, while others are snapshots of what the world was obsessed with at a point in time. Through them, we map out our shared interests and the evolution of pop culture. These top-viewed videos also carry the weight of influence. Children absorb the rhythms and melodies. Videos become topics of social conversation, and creators get inspired to craft their own content in hopes of capturing a fraction of that success. They can even shape musical trends, propelling certain genres and artists into the stratosphere of fame. Engagement is the currency in this digital empire, and shares translate into visibility and prominence on YouTube. With every interaction, we're signaling the platform on what to serve us next, playing into the hands of algorithms that aim to keep us engaged for as long as possible. The cultural significance of these most viewed videos is undeniable. They serve as a mirror to our desires, a window into what catches the collective imagination of our society. They're not just individual instances of success, they're the pulse points of our current media landscape, echoes of our collective heartbeat. As we continue to play and enjoy these videos, we're part of something greater, something that transcends borders and language barriers. We're part of a global conversation, one that is shaped by every play button we press. So next time you're watching one of these viral hits, remember that you're not just a viewer. You're an active participant in this vast, interconnected world of digital media. Kindly like, share, and follow or subscribe for more exciting videos. Thank you.